Ready, start. Today we'll be doing, guys, making a electric wire. Okay. So, sorry for something. Um, I just gotta turn. Okay, so first we're gonna do like a big battery, cause big things too. Okay, big battery. We're gonna do a small battery, or even mains power, cause that's dangerous to explode the 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 progress. So we have the big battery now. We have now the big battery, and we're gonna put a heating wire, and then through a wire. Actually, I don't know how this works, but it's gonna be one thing. It's gonna be one. And no battery, no battery. Like this. No, that's gunpowder. That's gunpowder. No, no. Relay. Oh no. I told you. I'm gonna do again of the heating wire with the heating wire. We lost all of our progress. Big battery. Okay, we got this now. And then, where is it? Yeah, let's get heater. Okay, just like delete this first. Okay, now we're gonna put LED lights everywhere. Boop, boop. Then green LED light. Why did it explode? Why did it again explode? I think it isn't enough. We need bigger battery. I think we need more big battery. I don't know why. Okay, now we have the. Let's see it. Okay, we got it. We're gonna work on still on the blue one. Why does it keep exploding? And it also broke. Okay, it won't go up. It's gonna be a long thing. Okay, then it's the big battery. Big battery, big battery. I think more big batteries. Yeah. There, and there. Big one. I need a big one. And then gotta cover this up like in Minecraft and this the wall. There. Now we're all set. Oops. Sorry. Sorry, the wrong way. The wrong thing. It's wrong. Like this. This. Like that. Like that. Oh my god, no, this exploded. Well, we did it though. We did it. How about the actual battery? Battery. Let's fix the heating wire. And then a real battery. We got the switch. I forgot the switch. Okay, this just 5 minutes long yet for now. And then I'm gonna get like a wire here, and then a switch. The switch here. A wire going through there. Now we have a now we can turn it off and on and off. Oh my god, let me like fix this. Oh my god, now it exploded. We worked so hard on this. Well, I guess we're just gonna put lava everywhere. Haha! Waha! Nobody can stop me! Nobody can stop me! Ha ha ha! This is what you get for everything. But wait, I'll show you something. I have like a bunker here. Oh my god! I deleted the bunker. I will load this. Load. It is the same one. But you want to see like another fire thing? Okay, I'm gonna get like a candle wick. Then fire will go through. Oh my god, it just already reached. Well, the roots will also start off. Oh my god, look at everything. I think everything stopped growing. I think so. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my god, there's rain. Now lava. Where's lava? Da da dee da 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 dee da 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 ba da bee ba 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 bee da ba 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 da dee da da da. Let's check this one. Blue flame. Okay. So hot. Look at them. They're like fighting. Oh my god, the lava is losing. Let's check it out. Oh. But this looks like hell. Well, subscribe for more. I'm gonna mix the water. Oh, the dirt. Let's see the dirt. Oh, the mixing. Okay, let's check something. Okay, so they can mix. Okay, so soil. Put a lot of soil and sand can mix, and we'll just shake I'm shaking it, but there's actually more. Okay, there's more soil than sand now. Then mix. See that? They're mixed. Okay, they're mixed. But water, and acid. Mix them. Acid. They're already about mixed. Then shake it. Okay, they're sheep. This is even the color of the universe. Okay, now let's do liquid gallium. Whoa, S. J. Let's do fire. Okay, let's do this quick. And mercury can mix. They can make stone too. See that? They already making stone. You see like those non-gravity dots? That's stone. I think so. So like and subscribe now. Thank you. Oh. I put some snow.